We're here in the hospital. Yeah, so it's 1:30 in the morning. I was here in the hospital. We just bring Jessica, and we're on our way home now. She's with Ate Big and Ate Maricel. Yeah, so as you see now, the difference between here in the city and the province. In the city, it's still there's still a lot of cars, a lot of taxis, you know. But here, it's just even in the middle of the night, we're still 1 o'clock, 1:30, and on our drive on the way here, there's no motorcycle, there's no van, there's no other vehicles on the way here. But you still be careful if you're driving in the province, you know, because there's a lot of dogs. There's a dogs on the road, you know. There's a cat. So that's one thing that you need to be considered if you're driving, even if there's no other vehicles that you encounter on the road. It's very quiet town in the middle of in the night, but in the day it's very busy.